Introducing the Snap Circuits Junior Kit, the perfect way to learn electronics through fun hands-on projects. With over 198 circuit experiments to explore, this kit brings the world of science and technology right to your fingertips. Let's unbox and see what's inside. First up, we have the user manual, a colorful guide packed with simple step-by-step instructions and diagrams for every project. Now here comes the snap circuit components, just like building blocks but for electronics. We've got a speaker for sound-based experiments, a battery holder to power your projects, and an alarm IC to trigger buzzers and alerts. Check out the reed switch, activated with just a magnet. It feels like magic. The button switch and classic switch help control the flow of electricity with a tap or a flip. We've also got a bright lamp module to light up your projects. There is a modulation IC that is for advanced effects and music IC that plays fun tunes. And here's the motor and a fan. Spin it up and even make a flying project. All your components snap together on this sturdy plastic grid, no wires or soldering needed. With Snap Circuits Junior, you can build working projects like a light-up lamp, a fan control circuit, all while learning about electricity, current flow, and circuit design. Love creating with Snap Circuits? Then share your projects and tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Let's keep learning and inventing together.